Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix something went wrong error on Play Store in Android phone. If you're using any Android phone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your Play Store app, you see the error which is unable to connect or something went wrong. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just scroll down in control center and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi, cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your Play Store app again, and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to go back and here open your settings app and just tap on more connections, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and force close your app. So just close your Play Store app from your recent apps, then you have to retry to open it again. So it might be that there will be any app glitch. It will be fixing this app. Or you can also try to make a restart with your Android phone because sometimes it might be a software glitch. It can be easily fixed by restarting your phone. Just keep a long press on the power button. Then select restart from here. Or you can also scroll down. Look for power option here. Here's the power button. Just select it, then tap on restart option, and after that your phone will be restarted. So just wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to wait for a few minutes to reload everything in your phone. So after that, if your phone has any antivirus, so you can enable this to get a refresh bill. So after doing this, you have to simply open your Play Store app again to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to open any other app or any browser or any website in the browser to check if your internet is weak or not. Because sometimes it might be that your internet is not working, so you're unable to use any app. So you just open any website. So if you see that your internet is working but your Play Store is still not working, so it might be a server issue. You just have to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hour, or sometimes it might be 24 hours. So you just have to wait for it until your internet or your server refresh, and after that you can easily use your Play Store without any error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.